Good afternoon, this is my Shaman-Orakel reading for this new week. Today is Tuesday. I'm running late one day because yesterday I wasted my day trying out to install my notebook and it didn't work. So one lost day. That was frustrating. But today is a new day. Let's talk about nicer things. And today, instead of 4 readings, I do 8 readings to make up the lost day. I'm using 6 card decks. This reading here is for Libra. Welcome, Libra. The reading starts with the wild unknown archetypes card. Out for you came the self. And the self is the soul, is the witness, and also the watcher. The self is the spectrum that highlights our personalities radiating through, and it does not judge, prohibit, suppress, or oppress any of its parts, as it lovingly knows that all the aspects have a time and a place, so leading us to experience the full breadth of life's offerings. The self is the central abiding container, the awareness of the infinite universe of possibilities. When this card appears, it is a call to step back into witness consciousness, to observe yourself navigating the world. Ask yourself, am I the stew or am I the chef? In most situations, our ego draws us into the cauldron where we swirl, spin and smolder in chaos. Yet the self is a graceful culinary dancer, watching, waiting, and observing as the spectrum of ingredients become the flavor of our life. So look in the mirror for 30 seconds or more and attempt to see the you behind the you. So it is no surprise that 2 central mantras in the yoga tradition concern the self, with the self experiment with Soham, which is the Lord God Shiva, who says, I am the self, I am myself, and Satnam, who is saying, I am truth, truth is my essence, and Satnam is known as a bija, a seed mantra, activating all the chakras. And if this card is perplexing for you, you are on the right track. It challenges us to expand our sense of identity beyond the little self, and the ego resists such movements. Das Schamanen-Orakel got the card for you called Rain Spirit. A spiritual blessing is on the horizon is the message, so expect an unexpected blessing. Something will suddenly become very clear to you. The card shows an unusual figure, a person wearing the cloak of a shaman, bringing us hope and some remembrance. Tears are flowing out of one eye. This is a sign of rain, and This rain is seen as lifesaver, especially by the tribes who live in the desert or close by. Water is seen as a blessing, a gift of life. The message here is there is a higher power at work, a godly power of a spiritual world. Something that seems unimportant is happening in your life. Be aware to see things that you need to see. Things may hide or come into your life in another form, like wearing a mask to disguise the true reality. With regards to relationships, accept light and darkness, strength and weakness. Take people as they are and show them compassion, because compassion is a blessing. It is better to show some sympathy than to right away criticize others. The rain spirit teaches that it is okay now and then to give more than one receives. It does not hurt us to be gracious and to show some goodwill. There is medicine aspect. Learn again to cry. Crying is healthy. Cry when you are happy, and also cry with others and show them your sympathy when they are in some pain or some trouble. Cry when you are thankful for the help of others, and cry when you feel deep desire to be one with the Great Spirit. Feel empathy for others and for all living beings. We are the tool of the Great Spirit to become wiser within us. Sorry for the trilling. I hope it stops so that I can continue. The next card is from the Moon and Stars Tarot deck, and it is the Knight of Wands. And the Knight of Wands is about entertainment, action, and speed, and relates to immaturity. The Knight of Wands indicates a fast movement with high immature energy. This results in very little planning, but with a focus on dreams coming true. There is a lot of communication as situations, they move swiftly. New people enter your life as you travel and you network. There may be a romantic temptation which you cannot ignore. Do not get too ahead of yourself and live in the present. The card shows action and being in the moment. There is a star message. Enjoy yourself and live in the present. The Mythic Goddess Tarot card is the Ten of Cups. It's about blissful relationships and harmony. The meaning is union. The Ten of Cups can bring us the fairy tale ending that we crave. It represents an abundance of love and happiness, especially when it comes to happy families. Connecting and bonding, they are emphasized, as is appreciation of the love in your life. Romance, engagement, marriage, and starting a family are strongly highlighted by this card. It signifies meeting your soulmate and understanding how precious this is. It is time to follow your heart and ensure your life is being lived at its highest spiritual frequency, healing any hurt and replacing it with pure love. The Medicine Woman card that came out is Rebirth. And the Rebirth has the following to say: an opportunity for deep transformation is before you. Life is punctuated with passages. Birth is one of them, and along with death is probably the most important of all. So birth and death, they are two inverted movements. After a sacred waiting comes the birthing process, the birthing process, a paroxysmal experience during which women discover an ancestral force and an unexpected energy. Life can also bring an opportunity for rebirth, an initiation that will ask us, as a mother would, to open ourselves to the great mystery, trusting in the resources of our body and inner wisdom. It is the miracle of life. A birth is in the works, is the message. So this card indicates that it is time to give birth to yourself, saying yes to life. You are on the threshold of great transformation. You are probably carrying a foundational project for your evolution. What is this gift, this talent, or this great love just waiting to be hatched? At which stage are you in your sacred waiting to give birth to yourself? Do not try to hasten anything. Everything is aligned. If you are expecting a child, you are both blessed and protected. Trust in yourself and surround yourself with other women, with midwives, to accompany you on this passage. Do this medicine action. Ideally, you should embrace this powerful transformation while letting go, allowing the transformation to flow through you. So now do the practice of letting go. Invoke the medicine of the tortoise and its powerful grounding for its unconditional support in bringing you where you are meant to be. Connect to your seventh chakra, the coronal chakra, celestial roots, your destiny. Perform a sensory meditation with frankincense with the intention of letting go. Embrace your fears, your limiting thoughts in the force and the face of change, and then release them. Trust in the mysterious pattern of life unfolding before you. Open yourself up to another dimension to let a better version of yourself come to life. The challenge you are invited to take up is to accept the loss of bearings that comes with great change. If you are pregnant, you can offer your child a ritual love practice. Take some time to talk to your baby, croon to it, surround it with love and joy, and ask your body for support. What does your body need to provide your baby with? The best nest may be that it can possibly offer. And the last card is from the Sacred Traveler deck, and it is Transformation. And the card Transformation is saying a fresh new way of living emerges. The card's meaning is that you are in a time of huge transformation. Old beliefs, ideas, and decisions about who you are and what you deserve in life are dropping away, replaced by incredible vitality and by new pathways. Soon you will be experiencing the world in a fresh, new way. The Sacred Traveler wants you to know the journey transforms the traveler. When the traveler arrives at a destination, the traveler is no longer the same person who started out on this journey. Even if there are some areas that may be murky or unsettled in your life, do not be concerned. This is the confusion that often appears before a rebirth takes place, like the phoenix that arises majestically from the ashes. A big change in your life is at hand. So do not hold on to old ways of viewing the world and limited ways of thinking. Be willing to see the world with fresh new eyes. Changes, they are afoot, and it is all so very good. That was your reading, Libra. I hope you liked it. I thank you for listening. Wishing you a most wonderful whole week. Take care and goodbye.